How many views do I need to earn money on YouTube? Ideally, you'll notice your channel is starting to earn some revenue after every 1,000 views on your videos. But this is only after your channel gets accepted to the YouTube Partner Program. To make good earnings out of YouTube, you'll want to start crossing 100,000 views per video. Is starting a YouTube channel a good way to make money? On average, YouTubers make between $3 and $5 per 1,000 video views through AdSense. If your channel is reaching a lot of people, this can stack up to a pretty paycheck. It's not uncommon for big creators to cash out upwards of $200,000 each month from AdSense alone. Does YouTube pay monthly? Google pays eligible YouTubers in the YouTube Partner Program monthly through AdSense, typically between the 21st and 26th. You must exceed the $100 minimum payment threshold